Hey, it's Andy
And Jen.
with Infinite Light and Sound. Today we're presenting a tool that is used in the fields of vibrational medicine and sound therapy. It's known as the Jaw Harp. Its history goes back over 5,000 years and was used by ancient shamans as a means to communicate with ancestral spirits who gave them clear insight on the nature of certain illnesses and how to treat them. Over here at ILS, we use this instrument a little differently. We've discovered that the Jaw Harp acts as a mental and emotional energy dampener, and with the help of this device, we are able to rapidly induce trance-like states of consciousness. This allows for emotional shields to be broken down in order to enhance and clarify communication between the practitioner and the listener. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I play the Jaw Harp to give our viewers a better idea of what this instrument sounds like when it is played therapeutically.
As Andy demonstrates how this instrument is played, it is important for the listener to relax and pay close attention to the sounds it produces to achieve the most positive and effective results.
If this kind of experience sounds interesting to you, give us a call today to schedule an appointment. Sessions can either be done in person or remotely using any video chat service online. If you like our videos and would like to see more content from ILS, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.